So welcome back. So this time we will talk about adding or subtracting complex numbers. So I provided two questions already. So let's start solving those problems together. So first one, okay, I'm going to put number 1 here so we won't be confused. So 3 minus 7i plus negative 4 plus 2i. So this case, I'm going to open the parentheses first. So when you open the parentheses, just treat them as like normal algebra problems. So this becomes 3 minus 7i, and plus time minus become minus 4, and then plus 2i here. Okay, so now you see the like terms. So 3 and negative 4, they are real number term, and minus 7i plus 2i, they are imaginary number term. So when you combine or when you simplify those values, you only combine between real number, which is 3 and minus 4, and then minus 7i, and then plus 2i. Totally separated, okay? So what's the 3 minus 4i? Yes, negative 1. And then negative 7i plus 2i become minus 5i. That's the answer for this addition. Okay, now look at number 2. So a minus I minus 2 plus 3i. So we have negative sign here, right? Minus sign here, which means when you open the parentheses, you must distribute. On the other word, you can think or change their sign, okay? You must do so, otherwise it is not the correct calculation. So open the parentheses and become 8 minus I minus 2 minus 3i. So as you see here, I changed the sign because of this minus sign. Okay, now just combine like terms. So 8 minus 2, 6. Negative I minus 3i become minus 4i. That will be the answer for this problem. Okay, so let's continue. So number 3, so 5i minus 12 minus I. Same thing, I will distribute this, then become 5i minus 12 plus I here. Okay, then as you see, this is the only real terms, and then now we have two imaginary number term, which is 5i and I. So when you simplify this, then this becomes negative 12 plus 6i. Okay, now number 4 here. So the first step is you need to distribute this one, then this becomes negative 1 over 3. Don't forget, change the sign. So plus 3 over 5 I plus 4 over 3 plus 4 over 5 I here. Okay, so now same thing. I'm gonna combine two real terms and two imaginary number terms. So this becomes negative 1/3, 4/3. Fortunately, we have same denominator, so you can just combine numerator, which is negative 1 plus 4 over 3. Now the 3 plus 4 I over 5 here. So answer becomes 3 over 3 plus 7i over 5. So simplify that 1 plus 7i over 5.